Have you ever heard of a war fought against birds? History isn't just about dates and battles. It's full of stories that are so strange, they sound made up. It was 1932, and the Australian farmlands were under siege. But this was no ordinary invasion. Across the fields of Western Australia, thousands of emus, large flightless birds standing over 6 feet tall, descended upon crops. These emus were trampling wheat fields, eating crops, and leaving destruction wherever they went. Farmers were desperate. After years of battling drought and the Great Depression, this was a new nightmare. So they turned to the government for help. The government responded with an unusual plan. Yes, soldiers armed with machine guns were ordered to go to battle against the emus. They were led by a man named Major Meredith, who believed he could solve the emu problem once and for all. The soldiers expected a straightforward mission. After all, these were just birds, right? What could go wrong? Armed and ready, the soldiers approached a large flock of emus. But as the first shots rang out, instead of scattering, the emus charged and dodged the bullets. These birds were fast. Some could run up to 30 miles per hour, and their unpredictable movements made them almost impossible to hit. The emus ran circles around the soldiers, who quickly realized that these birds weren't going to be easy targets. Day after day, the soldiers tried new strategies. They set up ambushes, fired from trucks, but the emus adapted. They learned to travel in smaller groups and were too swift for the soldiers to track. Each encounter left the soldiers more frustrated and more aware of how little they could do to stop the emu invasion.